This is a banana for scale, and this banana plays scales. And chords. And lots of instruments and effects. And with these alligator clips, you can make your own conductive instrument. Hey, I'm Dave from MicroKits, and welcome to my lab. For the last year and a half, I've been working on the Banan-a-Synth. I put in as many sounds and possibilities as I could, while still keeping it a beginner-friendly synthesizer. I made my own sound engine from scratch and ended up with 12 instrument voices and 8 effects that I really like. So here's organ, guitar, xylophone, and jaw harp. And with this effect sensor, you can control effects like pitch bend, low pass, and delay. You can also play the Banan-a-Synth using conductivity. Anything made out of metal or water should work. So for example, crafting dough, tools, bananas, or copper tape. And you can also control effects with conductivity. I designed the Banan-a-Synth to be a pocket-sized sound machine and a musical science lab. I want to use music to inspire you to learn some physics and use circuits to unlock your creativity. I think that music is the best way to learn electronics. This is our third product here at MicroKits, but our first time crowdfunding. Your support will help us finish this product and ramp up production. We do all our final assembly here in our workshop in Virginia, so this might be your only chance to get one this year. I look forward to seeing how this campaign goes, and thank you for your support.